It seems that those who believe that robots will eventually take away jobs from ordinary people are correct. Previously, the discussion was focused on machines taking over specific production cycles and replacing humans in certain positions. However, now the talk is about the complete replacement of humans. Boston Dynamics showcased a video on their YouTube channel where the humanoid robot Atlas transfers automotive parts from factory packaging to a rack, from which they will be taken by an automated production line. The automotive manufacturing sector, where precision, reliability, and the ability to handle heavy components are required, seems to be an ideal place for humanoid robots. While specialized industrial robots are already widely used here, complex and multifaceted tasks requiring a human touch have remained beyond their capabilities until now. Boston Dynamics, owned by Hyundai, now can contribute by offering its Atlas robot for work in auto manufacturing. Atlas is still an experimental project, demonstrating significant potential among humanoid robots, and its application in the commercial sector could be a crucial step in the development of robotics. The future is not far off when the decision of whether to hire a person or a machine will solely come down to financial considerations. It will be foolish to argue that buying and training a robot will be much more cost-effective than paying a human salary. In just a year, humanoid robots will start working at BMW's factory in the United States. Figure Company has announced the signing of a commercial agreement. According to it, its first humanoid robot, Figure 01, will be deployed at BMW's factory in South Carolina. However, they won't be involved in car assembly immediately. The robots will start with simpler tasks. BMW has not disclosed the number of Figure 01 models that will be in operation initially. It is also unclear which specific tasks the humanoid robots will perform. However, Figure has confirmed that they will begin with 5 tasks, which will be executed sequentially. These tasks may involve single or multi-purpose systems that will gradually expand their skill set over time. Figure 01 will learn on the job, refining its approach during real-world testing, much like humans. Whether these systems become a long-term addition to BMW's lineup will depend on whether the robots can meet the automaker's internal performance expectations. Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO has followed the lead of its competitors and initiated trials of humanoid robots on its assembly line. This event marks another milestone in the development of automotive production, where artificial intelligence and automation are playing an increasingly crucial role. NIO is using humanoid robots called Walker S, manufactured by Tech Robotics. These models are capable of performing tasks that were previously exclusive to humans. According to the company's statements, the robots can precisely install various components on electric vehicles, such as batteries, headlights, and bumpers, down to the millimeter. They can also execute repetitive actions, such as bolt tightening and assembly of components, freeing up human workers for more complex tasks. In a video presented by Tech, the robot is shown performing quality control tasks on headlights, door locks, and seatbelts, as well as applying NIO logos to the vehicles. Unfortunately, the company has not yet shared additional information about the role of Walker S at NIO's facility. Meet Pixo, the robot capable of unloading 1,000 boxes per hour or 1 box every 3.5 seconds. The startup Anywhere Robotics took a Japanese FANUC manipulator with a suction cup-equipped arm and mounted it on its own base optimized for a specific task. As a result, the robotic manipulator can efficiently unload or load boxes weighing up to 30 kilograms at an impressive speed, up to 1,000 such boxes per hour, or a total of 30 tons of cargo. The robot proves to be highly cost-effective. According to the company's calculations, it is 3 times cheaper for the customer compared to other offerings on the market and pays for itself in approximately 2 years. The original conveyor system reduces the load on the robot. Additionally, it shortens the distance Pixo has to cover with a load in hand, thereby increasing its work rate. Consequently, the productivity reaches up to 1,000 boxes per hour, equivalent to 1 box every 3.5 seconds, a remarkably fast, even for a professional loader. Amazon has also decided to keep up with trends by incorporating humanoid robots called Digit, developed by Agility Robotics, into its warehouses. These robots are capable of performing all the movements that regular human packers and sorters can, including intricate hand and finger motions. If the experiment proves successful, these 2-legged robots could potentially replace at least 450,000 warehouse employees in the future. However, Amazon denies allegations that robotic devices could replace human workers, stating that Digit will assist the staff. In the initial phase of the experimental project, humanoid robots will be tasked with container disposal, specifically locating and moving empty containers. Digit is well suited for this role, with its dimensions and humanoid form optimized for working in spaces designed for humans. Agility Robotics is receiving funding from Amazon, and the company plans to establish a new facility for robot production in Salem, Oregon. Agility's plan involves an annual production of over 10,000 robotic devices. While Digit has been an experimental project for several years, this status is expected to change soon. In 2024, Agility Robotics aims to commence robot deliveries to partners, and a year later, the general public will have the opportunity to purchase Digit. You have already witnessed that stories about humanoid robots performing household chores or working in factories no longer sound like science fiction. One such development comes from the Austin-based startup Apptronic. The prototype, named Apollo, resembles a human, weighing around 72 kilograms and standing at 170 centimeters tall. The robot can lift up to 25 kilograms and is equipped with a battery providing 4 hours of operation. Additionally, it can function while directly connected to the power grid for continuous work throughout the day. Apollo was designed to work alongside humans and is equipped with features to convey a sense of safety and friendliness. It has something like face, and the ability to turn its head to indicate the direction of movement. Digital panel on its chest displays battery charge, the current task the robot is doing, and a list of upcoming tasks. The cost of Apollo is expected to be lower than the price of an average car. At the core of Apollo's design are the robot's drives and muscles. The Apptronic team developed over 30 variations of primary drives, enabling the robot to walk, bend its arms, and handle objects like a human. Apptronic aims to commence full commercial production by the end of 2024. Initially, Apollo will be deployed in factories and warehouses, performing simple tasks such as moving boxes and pushing carts. However, over time, the functionality of these robots is expected to expand, allowing them to be used in construction, electronics manufacturing, delivery, and even in the care of elderly individuals. The manufacturer of humanoid robots, 1X, which received OpenAI's chips worth $25 million last year, has released a video showcasing autonomous humanoid robots called Eve. The video does not involve teleoperation, claims the Norwegian manufacturer of humanoid robots. No computer graphics, no cuts, no video acceleration, no scripted trajectory playback. Everything is controlled by neural networks, entirely autonomous. Eve, the humanoid, currently lacks legs and arms. It moves on a pair of electrically driven wheels, balancing on a third small wheel at the back, and its hands are rudimentary claws. However, its primary application is intended for warehouses with concrete floors and factories. These robots are capable of performing a variety of tasks, lifting and placing items in designated locations. They grasp objects from ankle to waist height, arrange them in boxes, bins, and trays. They can also independently open doors, approach charging stations, and activate them using a sophisticated squatting maneuver to connect the charger to their sockets. The company has trained 30 Eve robots to perform a range of individual tasks, seemingly using imitation learning through video and teleoperation. And of course, we couldn't overlook one of the most famous humanoid robots introduced by Tesla, Optimus Gen 2, designed to undertake various tasks and assist humans. Tesla aims to create a humanoid robot that could be universal enough to replace human labor. Earlier, Tesla announced that Optimus undergoes comprehensive training using neural networks and can perform new tasks, such as autonomously sorting objects. The new version of the humanoid robot is now equipped with all the drives and sensors developed by Tesla. One of the most intricate components of the humanoid robot is its hands. They need to be robust enough to withstand significant loads while being precise enough to handle delicate objects. The company stated its intention to soon begin deploying the robot in its own manufacturing operations. Once the robot proves its utility, Tesla plans to start selling it. Elon Musk previously stated that the potential demand for such robots could reach from 10 to 20 billion units. He believes that Optimus will account for a significant portion of Tesla's long-term value. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video impressed you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.